Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We can be back in another video. So as you see, guys, here what happened today. Today it came news. It came the consumer price index of USA, and it came that PSA, and that one is going to tell you how it's going to come the inflation and what the bank is going to do next week, guys, because next week there is the inflation of USA and it's going to come the interest rate and a lot of things that November. So you need to be very worried about those things. They are coming, guys. But here the Bitcoin is showing something very healthy, guys, and me personally, I think now it's going to give us here like a continuation pattern here. Then after that, it's going to go higher, and that is going to be the best scenario happening to the Bitcoin those days. Maybe to give us like that, and like that, a flag here or something, and that one is going to be very good. So now let's wait and see what it's going to do for us here. If it's not, it's going to fall down again. So the coming days, they are going to tell us what's going to happen. And for long-term investment, we are going to wait in what's going to happen here, guys. Either if it's going to go higher or no, because now it's still early. And if you are a long-term investor, guys, I'm going to give you that advice from me. It's a free advice from me to you. When any market it's down, like now, if you trade in Bitcoin or crypto, the only thing you need to know where you put in your money, because don't put them in companies you don't trust in them in the future, or they are not the blue chips of the market, or not big companies in the market. Like here, the big company trade the cryptocurrencies as a stock market. The big company in the cryptocurrency world, it's the Bitcoin. Then it's followed by the Ethereum. Then it's followed by BNB or Binance Coin and etc. So you trade in Bitcoin as the blue chip of the cryptocurrency. So you, when the market is falling down like that, started day say, hey guys, when it's falling, because you can't know exactly where is the bottom, you started day say from here, every month you buying a little bit. When it's going up, you stop day say, hey guys. You know what I'm saying or no? So for long-term investment, started they say you don't know if that one is at the bottom or 10K or whatever. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. And here in my chart, what I got, as you see it, we're still here in that level. And that was me, I told you in that level here is going to make a sideways like that. Then after that, it's going to be broken. And we need to wait in that block here to enter inside that one. Then we're going to see what's going to happen in the future, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see our indicators, guys, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe down and turn the bell notification on. Also, every day, guys, we're putting for you 2 videos. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. It's very simple, my friend. It will not take you that much. Just a red button down, click at it. You're going to become subscriber. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all, and you're done. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is it in the first comment? So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go to see our indicators, guys, what they're saying. The one here, guys, what me I told you last time. We are here at that level. It came down. I told you we're going to know if that one is a real breakout. That things will happen here is a real breakout. It's need to come down to a downtrend here, that one, and to show us here a rejection, then after that to go up. And by the way, today it touched it here down, guys. Here it's being touched. Then now it's showing here a rejection. Now we need to make a close eye at that level here if it's going to be broken, guys. You know what is going to be broken? It's needs a candle to come to close above it. Then we are going to know it's an uptrend, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So here we are in an uptrend, guys, but not yet confirmed. And as I told you, it's going to make that 2 up or 2 down, 3 up. Then we're going to see where it's going to go, guys, either up or either down, because now we're entering a sideways, because as you know, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, there is no volume. Now the last minutes of Friday, so there is no big volume to move the market that much. Everything is too clear here. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. Smash the like button, my friend. Go ahead and do it. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment, helping us guys. You know that channel without you and you and you it can't growing up. Yes, so support us guys. Also we don't ask you to give us donation or money or anything. We're just asking you to smash the like button, to writing down a comment. It will not take you that much. Just pause the video and do it now. You done it? Thank you very much my friend. Let's continue now. Let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours guys. Here we are in the 4 hours guys. What did I told you also yesterday we have here? What did I told you? I told you we have here a channel. It's been broken here. I told you here to enter short. Yes or no in the 4 hours. And I told you if it came upward and breaking up here in the top, you close the short one and you open a long one. Did it close above it? Look at it guys. No. Look at that green candle. What it's showing here. It zoom it a little bit. Sorry. Here what we said guys. We do it like that, and we came to the down one, we do it like that. In 30 minutes, it's going to become very clear. We enter short because here, and I told you if it came and closing above here, you close the short and you open a long, yes or no? And I told you to take profit, you're going to make it from here, like that. You bring the lower of that flag or that line of that flag here, and you put it here like that. That's what me I told you. Did it breaking now up? That candle which is going now? Yes, it's showing it's breaking. Did it finish? It's it? Not yet. It's left for it about 1 hour, guys. So if that green candle now, it's breaking, you enter long, guys. Remember my word. If that candle here, that green one, close like how it is, you enter long, guys. Take profit 23k, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? And what we got here in the 4 hour guys, what me I told you here. I told you here over here we're going to know if that one is a real breakout or a false breakout. What it's showing guys, it came to the upper of that channel here and it's showing here a rejection. Now it's showing here is a real breakout guys. So now we need to make a close eye at that level here. If either is going to go higher or no. But also we're going to enter because we got here a flag like that guys. You see it or no? And you bring in that one here to here. I show you all those things yesterday in the last video guys. Now it's showing here, it's breaking up guys. We think it's going to go till 23k or 25k guys. Everything is too clear guys. It's good to see our indicators guys what they say for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, if you remember, we used to be here at the overbought area, yes or no? It came down. As you see me, I draw here a trend line, a new trend line from here and here. Now it came here. It show a rejection, guys. So over here, it show a rejection. If that 4 hour candle close like that, that means it's going to go back up, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? It's very simple, guys. And I'm going to come back to you after the daily candle close. So if you are not subscriber, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. So when also we put in a new video, you're going to be notified, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now, let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, it's still here at the overbought area, guys. And also, what we said here, we got a flag like that. And what did I told you yesterday here to enter short? Till now, also we're still holding the short, guys. What it did now, that candle which is going up, it's near to breaking up, but it's left for it 1 hour. If it's finished like that, we will close the short, guys, and we will enter a long. If it's not, if that candle, that green one here, it show a rejection and go back inside, we will not close in the short, guys. Because also we said the stop loss, it needs to be in the top of that peak here. Because over here, our indicator is showing us there is a rejection is going to come, guys. Because you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. And even that candle now, which is going now, it showed that. And that's what me I told you in the daily. I told you that's what it's going to do here. It will not break it. It will do like that, guys. It will stay sideways that 2 or 3 days, which is coming Saturday and Sunday, guys. Everything is too clear? I know you don't smash the like button, my friend. Go ahead and do it. Helping us, guys, please. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. Please go now. Pause the video and do it. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there, if there is any scalping opportunity, guys. Here in 30 minutes, guys, if you remember in the last video what me I do here. Me I enter short because I used to have here a wage, if you remember, from here. And where I told you to take profit. If you remember, that the power. Look with me, that the power, guys. I told you over here in that supply and demand zone. What it done here? It came exactly to it and it showed there a rejection. Yes or no? You see it or no? And what did I told you for the long, guys? I told you need to have here a downtrend line like that. When it's going to be broken here, you enter long, guys. Yes or no? Did it break it? Yes, guys. It's break it here in 30 minutes. And here in 30 minutes, it happened here a price action. Sorry, I haven't made a video at that time. The price action, what is it, guys? Look at it here. That the first, that the second. It give you here a double bottom, guys, as you see it. When it's breaking here, we'll dive you enter long, guys. Now here in that level where you are, what it's showing, guys? It showed there a rejection. So it might here in that place, that Bitcoin here to give you here like that, a head and shoulder, guys, like that. So you need to make a close eye what the Bitcoin is going to give you here, guys. If either to go up to break for you the last high, which is here, or from here to come to break for you that low here, guys. You see that low here from that one and that one. Because if you look with me, I'm not going to draw in the top of the chart here, that a shoulder, and here if the Bitcoin where we are, it came and do like that, it's going to become the second shoulder, guys. Where is the head? Is it here? You see it or no? So we're trying to draw it like that, but you try to understand what else we're saying. So it's going to give you here a head and shoulder. To calculate it, you just came here to that one and you make it down here, guys. So it's going to go back till down here, but that it's not yet. It's need that one here to come down like that. That meant that level where you are now to show a rejection. And that one is a very stronger level, guys. We show it to you in the daily and everywhere. Everything is too clear now. Let's see now our indicators, guys, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, if you remember the last video, we be in here. I told you it's the right time to take profit. And I show you that price action here. I told you if it's been broken, you enter long. Now it's broken, you need to enter long here. And the stop loss, you put it down here. So me, I give you two scenarios here. If it's going to go higher and you follow our analysis here, now you need to enter long. If it's not going to go up, it's going to do like that to give you a head and shoulder. That means it's going to fall down more, guys. Everything is too clear. So our indicator here, it's being at the oversold. Now it's going out to the overbought area, guys. So now you need to wait in when it's going to enter the overbought to take the profit. If you enter from here, that one, me, I don't enter in it because I've been following the news which is going to come. And you know me, in the time of news, I don't trade, guys. Because all that move here, it happened because of the news and the consumer price and the houses in USA. So that's why me, I don't trade in the time of news. So it's our other indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys, if you remember, we used to have here a very clear divergence, and even we said the trend line of it is go down like that. Now that trend line, it's being broken here, guys, as you see it here in that zone, it's being broken. That means that one is going to go up till the overbought area, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So here in 30 minutes, if you want to enter long, it's the right time for you to enter long. If you want to wait in a little bit to see what it's going to do here, if it's going to give you here a head and shoulder or no, wait in, my friend. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle finish it, guys. Bye for now.